Did you know that only a few types of businesses make most of the world's billionaires? These industries have something special in common that makes them very profitable. The super rich know the secret. So why not learn more about these industries and increase your chances of becoming wealthy too? Check out this video to learn about 15 industries where billionaires are made. Let's get started. Space exploration and commercial space travel. Advancements in technology have made space exploration and travel more accessible, leading to lucrative opportunities in the industry. Space is rich in valuable resources like rare elements and water, attracting investments. While average salaries in the space industry vary based on roles, engineers typically earn around $80,000 to $100,000 per year. Companies like SpaceX, with an estimated net worth of over $74 billion, capitalize on space infrastructure, tourism, and innovation, driving significant financial gains and global prestige. Did you know that the first ever trillionaire might come from the space industry, with companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin racing to make space travel more accessible? The founder who cracks the code for affordable space tourism could be on track to become the world's first trillionaire. Real estate. Limited land resources and rising demand boost property values, providing income-generating opportunities. Salaries vary by role, from $40,000 for property managers to $150 for real estate developers. Companies like CBRE Group, with a net worth of $22 billion, highlight the wealth potential in the real estate sector. Blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies have revolutionized the financial landscape, challenging traditional banking systems and offering new avenues for investment and wealth creation. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have soared in popularity, attracting significant investments and creating opportunities for individuals to amass substantial fortunes. Salaries in the blockchain sector reflect the high demand for skilled professionals, with developers earning around $80,000 and blockchain architects commanding salaries of up to $200,000. These figures underscore the lucrative nature of careers in blockchain technology. Companies like Coinbase, a leading cryptocurrency exchange platform, exemplify the immense wealth potential in this sector. With a valuation of $68 billion, Coinbase has become a cornerstone of the cryptocurrency industry, facilitating billions of dollars in transactions and serving millions of users worldwide. The success of Coinbase and other blockchain-focused companies highlights the growing importance of decentralized finance and the significant role cryptocurrencies play in shaping the future of finance. Financial services and fintech. Innovative financial solutions meet growing demands, fostering wealth creation through tech adoption and scalability. Average salaries in financial services and fintech vary. Analysts earn $60,000 to $100,000, while executives can exceed $200,000 annually. Leading companies like Visa and PayPal boast net worths surpassing $400 billion, showcasing the immense wealth potential in this sector. Luxury industry. The luxury industry thrives on exclusivity and hefty profit margins, leading to substantial wealth for those at the top. Salaries in this sector span a wide range, with sales associates typically earning between $30,000 to $60,000 annually, while CEOs rake in millions. This disparity reflects the hierarchical structure within luxury brands, where executive roles command significant compensation due to their strategic leadership and decision-making responsibilities. Companies like LVMH or Moet Hennessy Louis Vuitton boast a staggering net worth exceeding $300 billion, epitomize the immense wealth potential in the luxury industry. As a conglomerate encompassing renowned brands such as Louis Vuitton, Moet and Chandon, and Dior, LVMH dominates the luxury market, capitalizing on affluent consumers' demand for high-end goods and experiences. Biotechnology and healthcare. Groundbreaking research in biotech and healthcare generates innovative solutions, tackling health issues and creating economic value. High barriers to entry and specialized knowledge contribute to wealth concentration. Average salaries range from $60,000 for technicians to $150,000 for research scientists. Companies like Moderna, with a net worth of $95 billion, showcase the wealth potential in this sector. Virtual and augmented reality. Rapid technological advancements in VR and AR create immersive experiences, driving demand in gaming, healthcare, and entertainment. Salaries vary, with developers earning $70,000 to $120,000 annually. Companies like Oculus, acquired by Facebook for $2 billion, illustrate the wealth potential in this field. Food technology and alternative protein sources. Sustainable food solutions address environmental concerns, attracting investments and creating billionaires. Average salaries range from $50,000 for food scientists to $120,000 for food engineers. Beyond Meat, valued at $8.5 billion, exemplifies the wealth potential in alternative protein sources. Here's a fun trivia tidbit. Did you know that the world's first recorded billionaire was John D. Rockefeller? He made his fortune in the oil industry in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, becoming one of the wealthiest individuals in history. His net worth at its peak would be equivalent to hundreds of billions of dollars in today's money. Entertainment and streaming services. Global internet access and network effects fuel revenue streams through subscriptions and partnerships. Salaries in this industry vary widely, from $40,000 for entry-level roles to millions for top executives. Companies like Netflix, with a net worth of $225 billion, illustrate the immense wealth potential in entertainment and streaming. E-commerce. The scalability and worldwide accessibility of e-commerce platforms enable business to grow rapidly, resulting in substantial wealth accumulation. Salaries in the e-commerce sector cover a broad spectrum, with entry-level positions typically starting at around $30,000 annually, while top executives can earn millions. This wide salary range reflects the diverse roles and responsibilities within the industry, from customer service representatives to chief executives. Companies like Amazon, valued at an astonishing $1.7 trillion, epitomize the immense wealth potential in e-commerce. As one of the largest online marketplaces globally, Amazon has revolutionized the way people shop and conduct business online. Its success highlights the vast opportunities available in the e-commerce sector for those who can innovate, adapt, and effectively leverage digital platforms to reach a global audience. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI and machine learning transform industries, boosting productivity and economic value. However, entry barriers and scalability concentrate wealth among a select few. Average salaries in AI and ML range from $90,000 to $140,000 annually, depending on expertise and location. Companies like Google and Amazon lead the field, with net worths exceeding $1 trillion and $1.7 trillion respectively. Their dominance reflects the immense wealth potential in AI and ML, rewarding both skilled employees and innovative businesses. The tech industry. The tech industry experiences rapid growth due to its low capital requirements and the scalability of digital products and services. Network effects amplify this growth, leading to immense wealth accumulation. Average salaries in tech vary widely by role and location, ranging from $60,000 to $150,000 per year. Tech giants like Apple boast net worths exceeding $2 trillion, while smaller startups can still reach billions in valuation, showcasing the industry's lucrative potential for both employees and companies. Electric vehicles and autonomous driving. Innovations in EVs and autonomous driving address sustainability concerns, attracting investments and fostering wealth creation. Salaries in this field vary, with engineers earning $70,000 to $120,000 annually. Companies like Tesla, with a net worth exceeding $500 billion, showcase the wealth potential in electric vehicles and autonomous technology. EdTech. Growing demand for accessible education and scalable technology offers opportunities for wealth generation. Salaries in EdTech range from $50,000 for instructional designers to $120,000 for software engineers. Companies like Coursera, valued at $5 billion, showcase the wealth potential in this sector. Green and renewable energy. Advancements in green tech and renewable energy offer opportunities for wealth generation while addressing environmental challenges. Salaries range from $60,000 for technicians to $150,000 for engineers. Tesla, valued at over $500 billion, showcases the wealth potential in green energy innovation. These industries are great places for making lots of money. They're always coming up with new ideas and using fancy technology to meet what people want. From exploring space to selling luxury stuff, there's a lot of ways to get rich. By paying attention to what people need and being smart about it, anyone can find success in these areas and join the ranks of the world's richest people. And that concludes our video showcasing the world of luxury. If you enjoyed this content, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up. We appreciate you tuning in, and we look forward to having you join us in our upcoming videos.